1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8.
So, 1, 2, 3, and 4, I would step into her. Now the basic,
Picked up my back.
the default move that we're working off of here, I'm stepped between her feet but toward the outside of the body. The default move is I can accelerate and go out to an anchor, or even continue to accelerate this way. That's the move we're working off of. It's this sort of leapfrog energy idea.
So let's everybody get to the 4. Guys, you need to pick up her back, slightly rotate her off the track as you step through her on 4.
I'm actually stepping almost around her, but I want to be inside that foot.
Yeah.
Okay? Facing her with my center, but my hips are trying to go past her a little bit.
Okay.
This could work in the next TeleMark where I'm moving her out of the way, but because I'm getting ready to redirect her energy that way, I'm starting to cheat my energy that way a little bit, okay? That's going to make this setup into connection a lot easier for her in a moment.
And but as he brings your energy out, he's going to take you on a perpendicular line towards the restroom wall with a prep on 6. So it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. I got 5.
Notice I went as far as I comfortably could over to her shoulder and away from her into leverage. If I'm close to her here, she's not going to get the information in time that we're redirecting. Okay, I stepped away into leverage, and I'm going to catch this other hand or maintain this other hand ideally.
So that's 5.
Then on 6, I'm going to turn and press down line, getting her starting to move. Okay? And I do not, it's an and for her actually, but I'm not doing an and, I'm doing a 5-6.
Yep, so guys, your footwork is different than mine. Guys have 5, 6, girls have 5 and 6.
Actually,
So it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4.
I step 5, she does an
and 6.
I bring her out. Okay? So as she does her and, I'm still holding my 5, but now I bring her out. So I've done one less foot here, we're both on the
Which
left.
is why we're both on the left foot right now.
Okay? If I collect my energy, she's going to catch up. We're relatively at neutral. But when we get to here and she does her 5 and on the 6, notice I'm far enough ahead that we're still in a stretch. Okay? Simultaneously, when I feel her coming forward on 6, I'm going to take my right hand and open the door, heel toward me a little bit, giving her a connection point. So I'm setting her up for the next movement as rotational. Okay? It's not, we could, at this point, we could rotate her out and do all sorts of things. We could do
That was just a
twisty.
basic.
Okay? What we're actually going to do is just slingshot her.
So 1, 2, 3, and